What's the meaning of countertenor? Countertenor. Countertenor.
Counter-tenor. Counter-tenor. A countertenor is a type of male singing voice that has a range similar to that of a female contralto or mezzo-soprano. It is achieved by using a specific vocal technique known as falsetto, which involves the vibration of the vocal cords in a different way than normal singing. Countertenors have a distinct sound that is often described as ethereal, haunting, and beautiful. They are commonly used in classical music, particularly in choral and operatic works, and add a unique and striking element to any performance.